Okay, before I start anything, I want to apologize about last video. So I have it edited, I have it basically done, and then I go to export it to publish it, and it keeps crashing Final Cut. So I couldn't figure it out. I troubleshooted it as best I could, so I updated my computer, and the update on my computer is not compatible with Final Cut. So now, whenever I get the chance, after I'm done doing the video I'm doing now, when I go, I gotta update Final Cut and I gotta click a link and where my mom got it loaded and whatever, and hope that the video is still there. Because it hasn't been saved. It's just edited, sitting in Final Cut that I can no longer access. So I'm hoping that it's an update to the Final Cut I have and not a separate Final Cut. But that is not what we're doing in today's video. Today, we are finishing the lift kit, and I'm gonna open up all these and kind of explain how this is all gonna work. You guys probably already know, but I gotta try and figure it out myself. What I've got here, hopefully my camera doesn't fall, I'm using the Joby. I haven't used the Joby in forever. I got new clasps for the sway bars because mine were basically junk. I got new clasps. Also, I have driven it without the sway bars for the last 3 weeks, a month maybe. Not fun. Sketchy as hell. In here should be the Swaybar bushings that go in the clasps. And then these are the most expensive piece of all of this. So these are Rubicon Express Extreme Duty Swaybar disconnects. Now, being the sway bars are like kind of a safety feature, I feel, for me, because corners are sketchy without them. I went with expensive ones. I know I didn't have to. I could have probably just got ones that were meant for a 2.5-inch lift or whatever. These ones are adjustable. And I'm pretty sure the bushings can be replaced if you wear them out or they get damaged or whatever. So these were pretty expensive, but in the box we got instructions, which I am going to read because I don't want to mess this up with how expensive these were. We have hardware. And then we have the adjustable sway bars. Oh, and they're greasable too. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, I'm so glad that I spent this kind of money. And then how they mount to the frame. Sweet.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Ty Rogers here, working on my Jeep that's always broken. So basically, BMXs, yeah, we're professional. We're always at the skate park, impressing all the ladies.
Okay, so if you're gonna hold the camera, why don't you show what we got going on here today?
Alright, so basically, bud, Ty's Jeep's broken again, not a surprise.
Not broken.
It's
just
broken.
Because we're installing new parts.
Basically, shittered. Swaybar, because, you know, Jeeps wander and shit like that.
I'm driving it for a month without the sway bars. Hi.
We got Billy Sage.
Don't get that out of my face, bud.
Too close.
I'm not even getting anywhere. How do you expect to tighten that bolt? Because I can't.
You use a fucking wrench.
Spit on her.
The only thing I don't like about this tool table is you can't open the drawers without opening these.
That is quite.
Words of wisdom. All right. So Ty, why aren't you using the new one? We got a new one.
Yeah, they're not the right size. I ordered the wrong one somehow. I don't know how
Yeah.
I thought that they were.
But it saves when you're wheeling it across the shop.
Do you have like a 1-inch extension? Oh, you're the best.
Heard it here. Ty's dad's the best.
But you don't want them tight.
Watch this wheelie. Hold on.
Oh, easy. No compensation on this job, eh?
Alright, we got.
So can I throw this Ziploc baggie out even though it's brand new?
Look at this setup we got here. Whoa! Yeah, brother!
Cool stuff, bud. You keep getting too close to my face.
You want me to show you how to use it?
How do you get this video on? We're doing a vlog.
There's a record button right where your thumb probably is.
No, we're doing a vlog. Where's the magic button? No, where's the magic button, man?
I will fucking show you.
I gotta learn so I'm taking my photography.
So, basically,
they're gonna take up photography.
Right?
He's quitting his job.
You know you're recording, right?
Oh, am I?
Yeah, you're recording.
Oh, fuck, I figured it out. Alright, guys, this is fucking Merlin Reef out. Fucking dart dangler over here.
Okay, don't fuck up that lens. Use an expensive one, okay? So it's the third one I've had to buy because I keep fucking breaking.
See those? Oh, fuck, where are we? Right there. What's this guy doing?
Clasps. Because I bought the fucking wrong one, so I gotta reuse the rusty tents.
Oh, yeah? How much were they?
What, Swaybars and clasps and bushings?
Yeah.
$69.
Oh, fuck, Billy said it took a tumble. How much were they?
I don't know, altogether it was like 220 bucks.
Alright, where'd you get them?
Just Jeeps. There's a plug right there.
Drop me. Don't, Merlin.
You're gonna wanna watch out if you don't wanna look at my ass.
I think the camera would love that.
I'm walking.
That is.
This is not
you got
fucking
good form,
working.
kid. You got good form.
God damn!
Alright, how do you shut this fucking thing off?
Again, it's like first
Do you wanna shut the fuck up so I can speak for a second?
I don't want to be in no YouTube video. Take camera down.
Yeah, no,
YouTube vidget?
Yeah.
don't put me in no.
Okay, so I got all of these on. Unfortunately, I stripped this one, but I like cross-threaded it. I cross-threaded it in. This angle is supposed to be -10. I have it at negative.
Just fucked it.
I have it at -10.
Done.
And I think that's it. So I'm hoping that I can get my fucking. Now I got my all flustered. I am hoping that I can get my final cut figured out so I can actually edit the video and get the other video of the lift up. But I have no idea what is going on with that shit. You guys just love making fun of me. I'm talking to a fucking camera, don't you? Because I'm the only one who can talk in front of a camera fucking naturally.
I could, but I'm already too popular.
Already too popular. That is it. If you need depth instructions on how to do this install, I'll put a video of the video, or fuck! I'll put a link of the video that I watched to understand how to do it. I know.
Restart the fucking video. You gotta do it overnight.
I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope this was kind of funny because I never have any of my friends in the videos because
we're all assholes.
and they're all cockeyed. I don't like being on camera, but I'll change that eventually. We'll see how things go. But I am not going to be a tippy fuck anymore.
Unless you're fucking giving me money to be in one of your videos, go fuck yourself.
I don't even make any money.
That's your own fault, you fucking dude.
I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Boo!